Hi, you are watching Best Cordless Impact Wrench for Vehicle Reviews. Number 1, Makita Wrench. Compact and ergonomic design at only 5-3/4 long. 3-speed power selection switch for precise fastening control in a wide range of applications. Reverse rotation auto stop mode stops rotation and impact when fastener is loosened adequately. Efficient BL brushless motor is electronically controlled to optimize battery energy use for up to 50% longer runtime per charge. Number 2, Nocry 20V Cordless. This cordless impact wrench will effortlessly loosen any lug nut, bolt or large screw with 300 feet lb, 400 Nm of torque, and give you 260 feet lb, 350 Nm, to tighten them. Along with the tool itself, you will get 120-volt battery, a belt clip, fast charger, and a carrying case. Number 3, NitroCat Air Impact Wrench. The NitroCat 1250K is a fearless, hard-hitting 1/2 impact wrench that outperforms anything in its class. Hard-hitting smooth twin clutch mechanism. Durable Kevlar TM reinforced body armor housing. Patented ergonomically designed handle. Patented easy operation flip, lever forward and reverse. Number 4, Milwaukee Cordless Wrench. The M12 Fuel Cordless Brushless 1/2 inch stubby impact wrench is the industry's most compact impact wrench on the marketplace. 4-mode drive control auto shut-off mode reduces over-fastening and increases productivity. Red Link Plus intelligence prevents damage to the tool and battery due to overloading or overheating. Red lithium batteries deliver more work per charge and more work over the life of the battery. Number 5, House Cordless Wrench. This impact wrench has a powerful motor, delivers a maximum torque of 2000 lbs for fastening various applications. No load, maximum speed of 2200 rpms, for driving large fasteners, quickly and easily. Used to tighten or loosen various nuts and bolts, suitable for automobile repair, engineering maintenance and other applications. Thanks for watching our video. If you want to know more, check out review list below in description. Don't forget to subscribe to get our latest videos.